Are you still struggling to manage your Git projects through the command line? Discover how GitHub Desktop can simplify your workflow with just a few clicks. Hi friends, my name is Rahul. Welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed yet, what is GitHub Desktop? It is a free open source application. It provides a GUI for interacting with the Git and GitHub repositories. Since it is a graphical user interface, it is easy to use. Users who are not comfortable with CLI can use GitHub Desktop. Like Git, it allows version control and collaborating with others. It allows users to clone repositories, create branches, push changes, and manage pull requests directly from the app. It provides a clear view of the commit history. So first we are going to Google and downloading the GitHub Desktop. Type GitHub Desktop. Okay, in this page, okay, here you can see there is an option download for Windows 64-bit, and down you have the Mac download also. So as per your requirement, you can download the file. Download this one and install. Once you open the GitHub Desktop page, you will be coming to this page. Here you have 4 options. One is create a repository. Second one is clone a repository. Third one is create a new repository on your local drive. And fourth one is add a existing repository from your local drive. So we will go for create a repository. Here you can give the repository name. I will give tutorial. Okay, I'll make it tutorial 1. Okay, description I'll make it for teaching. And then select the local path. So I have selected the folder in which the project files are there. And initialize the repository with the Readme file. So that is an option for you. So I will initialize with the Readme file. Git ignore and license you can keep it as none and create the repository. It will take 10 seconds of time. Okay, it has created the repository. You can see top current repository tutorial 1. And branch is default branch is main branch. You can see. Okay, you can see top. You have so many options like file, where you can create a new repository, add local repository, or clone a repository. Edit options like copy, cut, paste, blah blah blah. View, you have the history, changes, repository list, all those things. This is related to the repository, the actions you can perform. And next is the branch. So these are the options available. So we will go and publish this repository to our remote GitHub. So here I will come in my GitHub. Only one repository is there right now. So I'll add this tutorial 1 repository also by publishing here. Now it is only there in the local repository. So I am publishing it as remote repository to the GitHub. I'll keep it as private. Here you have the option. Publish repository. It will take some time. So it is published in my GitHub. We'll look in the history. We'll see. Okay, see the commit, what I have done, and .git attributes and readme file. In the readme file you can see the message is tutorial 1 and for teaching purpose. we'll go to GitHub and check. We'll just refresh it. Okay, now you can see tutorial 1 is added to my username in GitHub. You open that. Okay, see the Readme file is there with the message for teaching. Now I'll go and make some changes in that Readme file. Go to the folder. I'll open the Readme file. This is where the Readme file is there. Along with that Readme file, there is .git folder also is there. So go .git folder, as we learned earlier, it is for tracking the changes in the project files inside this folder. Okay. So I'll open the Readme file. I'll open in Notepad. Okay, here I will add some date 22/8/2024. Okay, now I'll save this. The moment I save this, we'll go and just check the GitHub Desktop. You can see changes 1, it has come. When you click on that changes, we can see the change what we have done in the Readme file. It has come here. Date 22/08/24. So the addition is done. Now we have to commit the addition. So for that, down, I'll give the message and the description. Update 1 I will give. Description I will give. Added the date. Now I'm going to commit the change. I'll commit to the main branch because only one branch is there, main, which is the default branch. Okay, now it has become 0 changed files. History, if you go and see, you can see the commit what I have done also just now, Readme. If you click on that, update 1, you click on update 1, you can see the date 22/8/2024 is added. I'll go and push this to the origin. See here, not yet changed. We have made the change locally. Now we have to push that one to the origin. So click on push origin. Refreshing repository. Okay. So now it is pushed to my GitHub. We will go and see the GitHub. Okay. I'll refresh it. You can see update 1 has come here and the message what we have given for teaching date 22/08/2024. Now that is being displayed. The 2 commits are there. The first commit is the initial commit and the second one after making the changes, which is the update 1. Now what we will do, we will add a branch, a separate branch we will add. This is how when we collaborate with the other coders, we will be adding a branch for reviewing purpose and then merging with the main branch. So we will create a branch. Okay. Now you can see the current branch is branch 1, which we have created right now. So we will publish this branch to our Git repository. Okay. Now what we will do, we will go to our Readme file and make the changes from the branch 1. Currently, branch is branch 1. We will go to the Readme file and make the changes from the branch 1. Okay, I'll open the folder again. Open the Readme file in the notepad. Okay, I will add something. Thursday. Save it. Now immediately changes 1 has come. The change is addition Thursday. We'll commit this change with update to. Description I'll give added day. Commit to branch 1. So now we will push this one for the GitHub. Okay, here you can see there is an option preview pull request. Okay, that is for the purpose of comparing our code which is being written in the branch 1 with the main branch. So I'm just previewing one commit into base main branch from branch 1. So I will create a pull request for merging this branch 1 with the main branch. It will open my GitHub. You can see it has already compared the files and it is telling able to merge. These branches can be automatically merged. Click on create pull request. So you can see Rahul Raj RRK wants to merge one commit into main from branch 1. Okay, scroll down. Merge pull request. So it is showing the message this branch has no conflicts with main branch. So I will merge, confirm merge. Pull request successfully merged and closed. If you don't want the branch, you can delete the branch. Option is here only. We'll go to the repository again. Now we can see it has become update 2 and the readme message has become for teaching. Yes, we have come here. There are 2 branches, which is main branch and branch 1, and 4 commits. We'll open 4 commit. Yes, you can see the 4 commits. Initial commit then update 1 we have done, then update 2 we have done, and the pull request which is been verified also. From Rahul Raj RRK branch 1 we have done the pull request. So these are the 4 commits we have done in this repository. The message also you can see for teaching date 22/8/2024 Thursday. So that is also updated. Now we can come here and check the history. I'm in the main branch. Here also you can check the history. The main branch you can see update 2 which I have added the Thursday. So all the commit histories are available here to track the changes. The previous one, the timing when I have made the changes. Thank you for staying connected. If you have any doubts or clarification report on the topics covered, please do comment in the comment box. We will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.